Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I will be showing you guys how to use the climate control on a 2013 Dodge Charger. So, in order to access this button, you must first go to the center console, right here, and at the center dash, press climate, and what that gives you is, it gives you control over the temperature, the modes of the air conditioning. You can either have it right here on the vents or the vents at the bottom, or both. And if you want the defroster on, it's just right there. And if you would like to access the fan speed, you could just press here, or right here at the scroll dial right here. And great thing about this is, if you guys want the same temperature, you could press the sync button right there. And all those buttons right there, you could even press auto, recirculation, and max AC. And yeah, that'll be it for this tutorial. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.